Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment presents, it's me, Winston, yes, honey, coming to you now live. What's up Twitter family, what's up YouTube family, what's up Facebook family, and my Instagram peoples, what you guys doing out there? What's up Twitter family, Hey everybody, hey, what's up everybody, what's up, people? Coming to you live, House of X Entertainment. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Cook With Me. Yes, Cook with Winston, guys. So today we are making McDonald's Southwest salad. Yes, I was challenged and also asked to participate in the original JT's Summer Salad Challenge. Let's try saying that 3 times. But yes, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a Southwest salad. That's probably the only one that I normally get from McDonald's. So yeah, let's get this started. So let's go ahead and wash our hands. Okay. All right. So, our ingredients, you're going to need about a cup of avocado, okay? And you're going to need some chopped plum tomato right here. Ooh, I'm forgetting something. Hold on, guys. Some purple onions and also red peppers, okay? And you're also going to need some Mexican style blend cheese. Okay, so this is 4 different cheeses. Ignore the price. Okay, and also you're gonna need the strips tortilla. So you're gonna need that. Also, you're gonna need some golden kettle corn. Yes, we're gonna strain off the water. So this is only a cup, but this is a full can. I should have bought a small one, but it's okay. And some black beans. Okay. And of course, we have our lettuce. So this is romaine lettuce. All right. And I am making some Italian chicken breast to go on my salad. So I've already seasoned my chicken and everything. So that is what we're going to do. And this is my Italian breadcrumbs right here. Okay. So we're first going to fry up our chicken breast first. And then we will start to build the salad. Okay? So that's what we're going to do. All right. Now, if you guys have seen some of my other videos where I've shown you guys how to make chicken parmesan, you should know how to make chicken breast, fried chicken breast. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Very easy. So this is the boneless thin sliced chicken breast, so it's very easy. Very easy. No nothing too shabby with it, so it's very easy. Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead and build our salad. So I've already washed my lettuce. You also want to make sure that you wash your lettuce, guys, to get all the yucky stuff and everything off of it. So what we're gonna do is we're going to throw our onions and peppers in there. Okay. We got our tomato. Okay, boom. And we got our avocado. Boom. but there are some big slices, so I'm just gonna cut some of them. Now, as you guys can see, some of these ingredients, I eat this salad because I like the salad, but there are two ingredients in here that I would never eat just by itself: avocado and tomato. So, um, this is one of my favorite salads, but eating these two ingredients by itself, no, I would never do it. Um, okay, so now let's strain off the water for our corn, and we're only going to use about a cup of this. Okay, so about a cup of this. Mhm. All right, so about that much, guys. And we still have more left in there. So there we go. Okay, and then we do the same thing. And then also shout out to my husband for this amazing salad bowl. I think I had it for like a long time, guys. He bought it for me from Macy's. So I think about maybe a couple 3 years or so. All right, and you also want to make sure you strain out the extra juice from this because you don't want to put that in your salad. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for this, about a cup. So just that much, and bada bing, bada boom. Okay. All right. Let me try the chicken. Okay. All right. And now what we're gonna do is we're going to mix everything together. Okay. So we're just gonna mix this in. All right. Okay. And also we're gonna see how it's nice and mixed in. All right. We're just mixing two ingredients, guys, which is our chicken and this here. Well, I'd rather three and our cheese. So those are the last ingredients that we put. So now we're going to add our chicken. So there we go. We've added the chicken. Just break them up a little bit. All right. Okay. And we're gonna mix it. Also want to make sure you have a well-built salad, guys. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna add our cheese. Okay. So you're gonna do about a handful, sprinkle. Okay. Boom. All right. And now you strip a handful. Boom. And there you have it, guys. Let's mix it. And there you have it. So Southwest, McDonald's Southwest salad, guys. Okay. Made at home. So I am going to taste just a little. And for my dressing, which I will show you guys in a minute. Okay. So this is probably gonna be lunch, dinner, everything. Yeah, that's probably gonna be lunch, dinner, probably everything right now. Okay. So let's rest this here. And for the dressing, because McDonald's has their own salad dressing, and whenever you're doing um, Southwest, you can use different type of dressing. So I got the Thousand Island, or you can use Chipotle dressing. And I'm not too good with the spicy, so I got Thousand Island. Okay, and there we have it, guys. So let me bring this over just to show you guys. All right, you guys can see. Boom. All right. Take a bite. Mmm. All right, guys. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And also make sure that you guys go over to JT's channel, the original JT. Check out the other folks that have made their summer salad. All right. And as I always say, guys, remember to pray for those that you see and pray for those that you don't see. Love you guys.